I need your waist measurement. I need your waist size. I have an urgent call now. I need to take a call right now. I'm heading to check out now. I'm going to check out now. I'll dispose of this trash. I'll throw out this trash. I modify my travel plan. I changed my travel plan. I found an outlet mall nearby. I found a discount outlet nearby. I lost my prescription today. I lost my doctor note today. My dorm is situated downtown. My dorm is located downtown. The test was surprisingly easy. The test was actually pretty easy. I wanna transform my room. I wanna redo my room. My laptop will undergo repair. My laptop will get repaired. We followed the blueprint exactly. We followed the plan exactly. I need to boost my income. I need to raise my income. My rent increased considerably. My rent increased a lot. I eliminated all extra fees. I cut all extra fees. This room is exclusively mine. This room is only mine. The sink started to leak. The sink started dripping. I did a preliminary check. I did an initial check. Her style is sophisticated. Her style is polished. I'm struggling with statistics now. I'm struggling with stats now. That seat is still vacant. That seat is still open. I don't have evidence yet. I don't have proof yet. We planned an excursion Sunday. We planned a trip Sunday. My host family influences me. My host family affects me a lot. Today felt ordinary to me. Today felt normal to me. My